What is going on, everybody? It's Tommy. Welcome back to 25 days of videos. As you can see, we got a backpack on, we got some warmer clothes. We're going on a little adventure today. We are heading up to the top of Camelback again, as you saw in the Let's Explore. We're going to try and fly the drone. We have had several gusts of wind pretty hard, but they've all died down. So hopefully we can fly that thing. And then we're going to go to Target and stuff to finish out my Christmas shopping for the year. So let's do that. It is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous once again. We are having a little bit of wind, so I'm going to just try and fly it straight up from the helicopter pad and do it from there, because obviously if I fly it out and a big wind hits it and takes it down, I'm never going to see it again. So let's do that. So, I don't know how well you can hear me. She's really battling the wind right now. So, I'm keeping her low to the ground just because we're actually going to land quick. All right, I think I'm really kind of dramatic. I was going to explore. My hair looks horrible. I was going to explore a lot more, but it is freezing up here. It is cold. I didn't bring gloves, which was a huge mistake, or a tripod, or any of that. So, that's that. But as you can see, it's just beautiful behind me. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and we're going to continue on with our adventure today. Alright, I know today was a shorter video, but it was fun. You know, my hands still hurt a little bit, but yeah, it was a lot of fun flying the drone. We'll definitely go back up there in the winter when it's not as windy. But I have to edit this video. I have to go watch a Christmas movie with the family. So, as always, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, say what's up in the comments down below, and I will see you tomorrow.